In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share your designs as an editable Canva template. Now, the reason you might want to do this is because you might want to sell it as an editable template. So if we come over to here, to Creative Fabrica for a second, we can see all of these editable Canva templates. Now, when you purchase one of these, you tend to get a link, and then that link will take you to that editable template over in your own Canva. So let me go ahead and show you how to do this. So let's say this design just here, I wanted to sell it as an editable Canva template. Now what we want to do is come up to share just here, come down to more, and then we want to choose this just here where it says template link. Now if we click on here, we then want to click right here as well where it says create template link. Now, once it's done that, we can now copy this, and this is what we can actually sell. So, if we go over to a incognito window just here and plug that URL in, like so, now if we click enter, we can see that it says a template created by Paddy, or if this was you, your account name would be here, was shared with you. Start designing now. And now all they have to do is click on Use Template for New Design, and it's going to open in their own Canva. Now, if we come off here for a second and go back on to Share, we can now see that this template link is actually live. Now, if we click on here, we do have the option to delete it. So now, if I click on Delete Template Link, and then confirm that, that link has now been deleted. So that's just how easy it is to share Canva templates here in Canva. Now if you found this video helpful, then please consider giving me a like as it really helps out the channel, and if you're not too sure what to watch next, then click right here and watch this playlist.